Hello everybody, today we're going to learn what sound the letter A makes with sandpaper cards. First take your left hand and put it on the empty side. Then join two fingers of the right hand and put them on the letter. See clearly. And now say the sound with me. Second time, the last time, So now you know what sound the letter A makes.